Black holes. Black holes happen when really big stars burn through their fuel. Then gravity smashes them down into a tiny point called a singularity. Nothing escapes past the event horizon, the edge where gravity wins completely. Even light gets trapped. In 2019, scientists used telescopes around the world to snap the first picture of one in M87 galaxy. A huge dark middle with a fiery ring around it, 55 million light-years from us. Sagittarius A star sits in our Milky Way center, 4 million times the sun's mass, and it's been caught gobbling gas clouds. Sometimes it rips stars apart in flares we detect with X-ray telescopes. Black holes help build galaxies by clearing space and sparking new stars from leftover gas. Gamma-ray bursts. Picture the most powerful blasts in the universe. Gamma-ray bursts kick off when giant stars collapse into black holes or when neutron-star pairs collide. They fire narrow jets of gamma rays, packing more energy in seconds than our sun gives in 10 billion years. GRB 080319b in 2008 shone so bright from 7.5 billion light-years away that backyard astronomers saw it without gear. The Swift satellite catches dozens yearly. Long bursts come from star deaths, short ones from mergers. If one hit Earth head-on, it could strip our ozone and spark mass extinctions. Luckily, their aim is precise. These events forge gold, platinum, and other heavy stuff scattered through space. Magnetars. After a supernova, what's left can be a magnetar, a city-sized ball of neutrons with a magnetic field a quadrillion times Earth's, twisting its solid crust. When the crust cracks in a starquake, it unleashes giant flares of X-rays and gamma rays. The 2004 flare from SGR 180620, 50,000 light-years out, hit our planet's atmosphere hard enough to mess with satellites. NASA's NICER telescope watches them up close. That insane magnetism speeds up particles nearby, creating glowing bubbles. Only a few dozen roam our galaxy, but they teach us how matter acts under crushing pressure. Hypervelocity stars. At the Milky Way's heart, Sagittarius A star slingshots stars away at escape speed through tricky gravity dances. US 708 hurtles at 2.5 million miles per hour, spotted by Hubble. It might have come from a ripped-apart binary pair. The Gaia spacecraft has mapped over 100, some reaching intergalactic voids. Unlike chill orbiting stars, these loners never look back. Discoveries started in 2005 with SDSS surveys. They prove black holes can eject heavy hitters, mixing up our cosmic neighborhood. The Boötes Void. This is a massive empty zone, 330 million light-years wide, with just 60 galaxies, where stats predict thousands, mapped out in 1981 by redshift hunters. Right after the Big Bang, slight lumps grew, and gravity sucked matter away from spots like this, leaving voids. It's part of the cosmic web's skeleton, opposite the crowded filaments. Galaxies inside, like those in Abel 3627 nearby, chug along normally. Big scopes like Sloan probe it for dark matter clues. Voids like Boötes speed up as the universe expands, highlighting emptiness's dominance. Zombie stars. White dwarfs, Earth-sized sun quartzes, sneakily pull hydrogen from partner stars, piling it on until runaway fusion blows them apart as Type 1a supernovas. SN 2011 FE lit up galaxy M101 in 2011. Telescopes caught it expanding at 8,000 miles per second. Historical ones include Kepler's star in 1604, seen worldwide. They always explode at the same mass limit, making perfect distance markers, key to learning the universe expands. Systems like T Coronae Borealis hint at future blasts. Rogue black holes. Not all black holes stay put. Some drift free after forming tiny in the Big Bang's heat or getting booted from galaxies in crashes. Microlensing flares, like Ogle 2011 BLG 0462, betrayed a nearby sun mass one bending light. JWST peers at ancient wanderers. Gaia predicts solar system passersby. Without gas to eat, they stay dark, only spotted by gravity tugs. They might make up much dark matter, invisibly steering stars around us. Neutron-star collisions. Over eons, neutron-star twins tighten orbits via gravity waves, then merge in a kilonova flash. GW170817 in 2017 was a game changer. LIGO felt the ripples. Telescopes saw the blast 140 million light-years off, spewing 70 Earths of gold. Gamma rays tagged along, unlike black hole smashes. Virgo and Cagra now join the hunt. These forge half the universe's heavy elements via rapid neutron capture. Quasars. Young galaxies' hearts blaze as quasars when supermassive black holes feast. Accretion disks glowing hotter than surfaces, jets beaming at near-light speed. J0529-4351, brightest known in 2024, outshines 500 trillion suns from 12 billion light-years. Martin Schmidt pegged 3C273 as Quasar 1 in 1963. They ionized early hydrogen fog, kickstarting star eras. Today, they're quiet. SDSS catalogs 4 million. Cosmic rays. Protons and bits slam Earth at cosmic speeds, some with energy like a tennis serve, from supernovas, black holes, or gamma-ray bursts. The Oh My God ray in 1991 topped 3 times 10 to the 20th electron volts, journeying billions of years undeflected. Air hits spawn particle showers. Pierre Auger in Argentina nets 1 million square kilometers. Ice Cube chases neutrino ties. They probe accelerators beyond sight, zapping DNA and sparking lightning.